the hearing aid will learn all the changes that I'm making, and the algorithm will work out slowly over time where I like to listen to the volume of my hearing aids. And it will also do the same in something called sound balance. So you've got volume here on the left and sound balance there on the right. Now sound balance, you can see it says treble at the top and bass at the bottom, and that's what it'll do. If I turn it up, it will add more treble and make everything sound sharper, but it will also make everything sound tinnier. So I need to find the right balance. If I go down too low, and now it's not as sharp and I can't hear quite so clearly, but it sounds richer. So I need to find the right place where I like to hear it. And it should be somewhere in the middle if we programmed your hearing aids correctly, but it might not be. And you might need to go up there, and that's fine too. And the hearing aid, as I said before, will learn from these changes that you make. And it will work out an average, but only an average in the universal program. So if you look towards the top of your screen, it says universal. Now this is an automatic program that changes by itself in the different environments you go into. But if you want to make bigger changes, you would actually change the programs themselves. And I'm just pushing it there on the top right arrow, and we can see universal, noisy environment, TV. So, and you can see when we go into noisy environment, I can do exactly the same, sound balance changing, volume changing, and the hearing aid will learn all the changes that I make in those different environments.